So there is one type I want to talk about. Everybody look at number 40. That whole set, 39 through 46. Those problems. It's just about coterminal angles. Like the last one says negative 7,201, right? That's a nasty, nasty angle. I have no idea where that angle is, right? That could be in the first quadrant, it could be in the third. I have no idea where this angle really is. So one of the best benefits, one of the biggest benefits of finding coterminal angles, because how do you find coterminal angles? You just add, subtract 360 degrees, right? Like it's an easy process. One of the biggest uses of finding coterminal angles is we have no idea where this angle really is. So the idea basically is just, let's take this angle and get it back to a reasonable angle. So let's just keep adding 360 until this angle, come on, go faster. You can do this. I know you can. Come on. Get it back to an angle that is a reasonable angle. I should have picked a smaller number because my calculator won't go faster. Well, come on, go faster. You can do it. We're all waiting on you. Texas Instrument, you are not working very well. Come on, faster, faster. You can do it. You're almost there. Okay, -1. Now we're getting close. 3 to 59. Now I know exactly where this angle is. What quadrant is this angle going to be in? Fourth quadrant. This is almost like a 0-degree angle. It just went around a whole bunch of times, right? But I know that angle is right there in the fourth quadrant, just barely below the x-axis, yes? So that's the idea with those questions. Basically what they wanted you to do was keep finding coterminal angles until you are back within from 0 to 360 degrees. Basically what you're just doing is you're trying to get it back to a reasonable angle. Does that make sense? Like when we first looked at that, we had no idea where that angle was going to end up being. So we're just going to get it back to a reasonable angle. That's all that is, okay? That really is the biggest use of those. So on a test or a quiz, if I give you a question like this, where I say, here's a nasty angle, find a coterminal angle between 0 and 360, well, that's exactly the idea. It's just, this is ugly. We don't want to deal with big, nasty angles like this. Let's get one that's equivalent to that, that's going to be coterminal, that's just a lot easier to deal with. Okay? Cool? Is there any other questions on this homework assignment? You guys are good with 32, 34, 36, those ones? Because I promise you, guaranteed, there will be 1 and 2 of those on your next quiz. Would you like me to do? Which one would you like me to do? What? 36. Sounds good. So you're starting at a 60-degree angle, right? Which is, about there, yeah? Okay. And then it says 2.5 clockwise rotations. Is it clockwise or counterclockwise? Counterclockwise. So 2.5 counterclockwise rotations. So are we going more positive or back negative? More positive. So we're going to go from here, 1, 2.5 rotations. So we're going to end up down there somewhere, right? Basically, what is 2.5 rotations worth? Well, 1 rotation is 360. 2 rotations is going to be 720. Half a rotation is 180, right? So that's going to be what? 2.5 is 900. And you could just do 2.5 times 360. So the question is, did you add or subtract the 900? Did we go farther positive or back negative? Farther positive. So the answer is 960. Easy enough? All right, pass those up.